The cat sleeps under the chair. The cat sleeps under the chair. A rainbow appears after the rain. A rainbow appears after the rain. He finds a shiny stones on the road. He finds a shiny stones on the road. Birds sing on the tall tree. Birds sing on the tall tree. She draws stars in her notebook. She draws stars in her notebook. We watch the sunset at the beach. We watch the sunset at the beach. The clock strikes 12 loudly. The clock strikes 12 loudly. He jumps over the small puddle. He jumps over the small puddle. The butterfly lands on the flower. The butterfly lands on the flower. I write a secret in my diary. I write a secret in my diary. She opens the mysterious box. She opens the mysterious box. They discovered a hide path in the forest. They discovered a hide path in the forest. He whistled while walking home. He whistled while walking home. The dog barks at the passing car. The dog barks at the passing car. I pick fresh apple from the tree. I pick fresh apple from the tree. She reads a story to her little brother. She reads a story to her little brother. The wind moves the colorful kite. The wind moves the colorful kite. We listen to the sound of the river. We listen to the sound of the river. He paints clouds on the wall. He paints clouds on the wall.